So for those of you that don't know, FORS, the Fleet Operator Recognition Scheme, was set up in 2007 by Transport for London as an industry-led accreditation scheme aimed at raising the standards of the transport industry. FORS helps you, or helps operators, to raise the standards of its drivers and for its operators to be able to monitor and improve performance. It helps its operators to ensure that they are running a legally compliant fleet and to help them to deliver new best practice. It helps suppliers to know that they are only contracting good quality, reputable operators. It's open to, well, it's a voluntary accreditation scheme, and it's open to any companies that run a commercial fleet. And it was originally designed as a London-specific scheme, but it's now available nationally, and anybody can sign up whether they go into London or not. So how does it work? You start the process by signing up and signing up for membership, and you do that at www.fors-online.org.uk. Don't try Googling FORS, Google FORS online. If you just do FORS, you end up with lots of Ford car workshops, which won't help you. So at the start of the journey, we then assess you against the FORS standard. The FORS standard is made up, as you can see from the table, of 4 key pillars: management, vehicles, drivers and operations. And there are 3 levels to accreditation: bronze, silver and gold. And as you'd imagine, the higher the level of accreditation, the more serious the operator is about achieving and maintaining standards. For most companies, specifying a bronze operator would be enough for most contracts, but for higher profile projects or longer term services, gold might be more appropriate. However, it is a very, very large commitment from any operator to achieve it. It's not easy to achieve, so we tend to push for FORS to be specified only on relevant projects. The start of the journey, as I said, is with our bronze accreditation, and bronze accredited companies are good operators who are legally compliant but also demonstrate good practice. And this is our entry-level accreditation. When you go for your bronze accreditation, if you don't pass, or if you've got to achieve additional work to meet the standard, then the auditor will provide you with an action plan to help you get to the pass level. Once you've achieved bronze, you're able to progress on to silver, and our silver operators are high quality operators who are committed to improving the safety, the environmental performance and the efficiency of their fleets. And this is our intermediate level. At the top of the tree is our gold standard, and our gold members, to reach this level, these really are our exceptional operators who have demonstrated over a period of time that they've met the standards required and that they're continuing to improve performance. So I've talked about the standard, which is the framework of FORS and is how everything else fits around. We also provide a number of activities, of support materials and training to help people through the scheme. For managers, we have a series of workshops. There are 9 workshops aimed at managers and supervisors that help to develop and write policies and implement best practice into operations. And working together, those 9 workshops form the FORS practitioner qualification, which can be used to demonstrate an operator's compliance or his level of performance. We also provide a Managing Your O Licence course, which is a quality summary of the O Licence requirements, and can form either a refresher session for existing transport managers, or a good introductory session for new transport managers. For drivers, we provide a number of specific focused driver CPC training courses free of charge as part of the membership. We also have a number of e-learning courses. These include cycle safety, van safety, work-related road safety, fuel, and loading and unloading legally. And last year we had 20,000 modules completed, so it's had a massive take-up, and lots of drivers are finding benefit from doing those courses. We also provide a number of toolkits to support operator or transport managers as they're introducing FORS into their operation and to run their operation well. These range from a number of spreadsheets, basic spreadsheets to allow you to capture data and monitor performance, through to we have a number of briefing materials and campaign plans to help people to actively deploy change into their operation. We also provide a number of case studies, and our gold operators will capture any benefits and best practice that they have used to improve their performance as a result of being part of FORS, and this is available on our website, and is how we capture best practice. We also provide, to support our members through our associates partnerships, a number of FORS specific benefits to help companies to achieve and maintain their standards. And these are available on the FORS website as well. So we provide some tangible courses to help our operators, but there's also a performance benefit from being a member of FORS. And we have a performance management system that we allow companies to upload their information to, and they do this on a regular basis, and we use this information to provide us with benchmarking information and data on how they're getting on. And we have demonstrated, when we looked at the data from 2014 and compared it to the latest data from 2015, we've seen a 17% reduction in collisions, a 34.5% reduction in slight injury collisions, a 9.7 reduction in damage-only collisions, and a 4.3 improvement in miles per gallon, so reduction in fuel. So some good savings there that can lead to benefits to the organisation, as well as financial improvements. So, in summary, being a FORS member gives you the confidence that you're running a high-quality operation. It allows you to demonstrate to other organisations the standard and the level of performance you're working at. It acts as a differentiator to your competitors, and it allows you access to high-profile contracts. It allows suppliers to be able to know that they are only using high-quality operators. And to support you on your journey, we provide a number of tools and training and support packages to help you reach and maintain your accreditation. So if you haven't already done it, sign up today on the website, and if you've got any further questions, come and see us on our stand. We're by the entrance and we're around all day. So thank you all for your time.